Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the best screen capture software on the market in 2023. Really important subject if you're looking to build your membership course. Obviously you're going to be utilizing video, so having a good screen capture software really will help. I'm going to go through some of the leading tools out there. Should be great content for you. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back. So what's the best screen capture software out there? Well, I've written a great article. You'll find the link in the video description where I go through over 10 products. In this video, I'm just going to go through about 3 of the major products out there, but like I say, I'll go in more depth in the article. So let's start with OBS. OBS is a free open source software. It works on the Mac and PC, and I think it also works on Linux. It's really very popular for people that on a very tight budget. Also really popular on the professional market. It's been out for quite a while. It's stable. It's got quite a complicated interface because it can do a ton of things. It's a quasi-professional level live broadcasting tool, and with the right equipment, you can broadcast to tens of thousands of people directly. It's extremely powerful, but because it can do so much, it can have there's a bit of a learning curve. The good thing is there's a load of videos on YouTube out there that cover almost every aspect of using it. What other thing? Well, one of the factors that diminished it was that a lot of cameras didn't have the drivers for it, and you used to have to go for a bit of a hunt to find a driver. And that situation has improved lately. A lot of the camera manufacturers make sure they give you drivers for the PC and Mac. This will always be a problem with Linux because the manufacturers never produce drivers. You always have to find a third party. Another factor is if you're going to use it, I wouldn't buy the latest camera. Always buy a camera that's at least been a year out, because if the manufacturer doesn't provide a stable driver, there will be a third party that has. On to the next one, Camtasia. Now, Camtasia is really, really good. The only drawback until recently, you could only use it on PC. They've changed that. You can use it on PC and Mac. I don't think they provide anything for Linux. They've got 2 major pricing structures. You can pay monthly. That's around $19 a month, or you can pay one-off fee. I don't know how many upgrades that covers. That's a $299 charge. Really, really powerful, really slick, great product. I think you're going to be happy with it. It's got one other main competitor, that's ScreenFlow. Now, ScreenFlow, it's around $180. It's the one that I use personally. Doesn't mean that I think it's the best, but I've been using it for about 3 or 4 years. Really, ScreenFlow and Camtasia, there isn't much in it. You really just got to look at the feature set, and if there's one particular feature that really rocks your boat, maybe you go with one. The only problem with ScreenFlow, it's Mac only. So if you're looking for something that can run on Macs and PCs and you have the same interface, you want to go with Camtasia. In the story, really. But I still think if you're a Mac person, blah blah blah, ScreenFlow offers a lot for the money. It's a pretty keen price. They normally it's like the second it's like 2 upgrades up that you have to buy. If you want to upgrade, you have to buy the whole product again. Normally the first upgrade, it's provided free. The second upgrade of the software is at a reduced price, and the third one you have to cough up the money again. I don't keep upgrading because for the editing that I'm doing with it, I am quite happy with what I got. The other factor is if I'm doing really detailed editing, I go up to the next product up in what I've got, which is Final Cut Pro. Because I'm a Mac person, and that's a quasi-professional editing tool. You get Premiere on Adobe, that's Mac and PC, that's very popular, but that's a whole different subject. On this video, we're just concentrating on screen capture software and allowing you to edit it. There's a number of new players. Like I say, I've listed those in the article. You'll find a link in the show notes. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, subscribe to the channel. It really encourages me to make more of these videos. And also ring that bell. That really helps. That tells YouTube that I'm doing something right in my life. It's been great chatting with you. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.